Hi everyone, this is Mr. Hills. I'm going to walk you through the process of getting Sphero EDU set up and ready to go. So you're going to install the Sphero EDU app. Right, once the Sphero EDU app is open, you're going to swipe through the directions here a little bit. And then you're going to get to a screen like this. Click Continue as Guest, so you don't need to sign in. And then you can go through the tutorial, create a program. And then what it's going to do is it's going to walk you through a few things. You can tap on that to kind of dismiss that. Then I would hit the back arrow in the upper left and create a new program from scratch. What you're going to do is choose a program for blocks, and then you're going to use the Sphero that's already selected and hit create. From there, you're going to see a screen that looks just like this, and you're going to use these roll blocks down here at the bottom, and you can just simply tap on them and pull them up to the canvas up here. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose how you want the what direction you want the Sphero to roll, for what speed, and then for how long. After you set that, you're going to grab another roll block, and maybe let's say you're going to be turning left. So you're going to turn 270 degrees. You're going to go a certain speed that you can determine for a certain amount of time. The goal is for you to put together enough programs to navigate the Sphero mini golf course. Good luck. Alright, hi everybody, this is Mr. Hills, and I'm going to just show you briefly how we can connect to our Sphero devices. So the first one we're going to look at is this clear one here. This is called a Sphero Spark Plus. And so what you need to do in order to connect to this is you simply open up the Sphero EDU app on your device. So I'm going to open that up. And then you don't need to tap it or anything. You can just set it near your iPad. And what I'm going to do, and I'll show you here, is I'm just going to open up the Sphero app, and then I'm going to click on somewhere in there you should have a symbol to drive your device. It's going to ask you to connect to one of the robots here, and I'll just show you what that looks like on my screen. I'm going to connect to a Sphero Spark Plus, just like that. It's going to look for any ones that are nearby. The one with the most blue lines is the one that you are going to want to click on, because that's the closest one to you. And then what you should see is your Sphero turns blue. That means it is connected and ready to roll. So when you're all done with this one, all you have to do is close the app, walk away, and you are disconnected, and it's awesome. Now, let's talk about the other type of Sphero that we have here. We have the Sphero 2.0, which is this one right here. In order to use these ones, you tap it on a surface like that, and then it will start blinking a pattern of colors. This one is PGG. Okay? So in order to connect to that, what you're going to do is grab your iPad, go to the Settings app, like so, and you're going to click on where it says Bluetooth, and then you're going to wait to find that device that you're looking for. In this case, it should be PGG. I had to double tap it again to make sure that it wakes up. And then sometimes it says MISC. That's okay. We'll just tap on it. And it is all connected. My Sphero has turned blue at this point in time. And then I'm going to open up the Sphero EDU app. And once again, I'm going to just tap on the drive symbol, and it's going to ask me what Spheros are available. This one says Sphero Spark, which I just connected to. I actually need to go over here and connect to a Sphero 2.0. And then it should say Sphero connected. At that point, again, we should be solid blue with our Sphero, and we should be then you should be ready to make your programs. Have fun! All right, now I'm assuming you are all done using your Sphero 2.0, and what you need to do in order to disconnect this is you need to go back to the settings app, and you're going to actually have to click on where it says Sphero PGG, click on the little eye over on the right, and then forget this device. Okay, that will turn off the Bluetooth connection. You can see now it is now just blinking the pattern PGG, so it is no longer connected to your device, and that is how you disconnect the Sphero 2.0s.